full of anxieties. You do not know how to sleep peacefully at night. You have to keep watchman. Just see enemies are coming or not. With torchlight. This is our position. Full of anxieties. Even we cannot sleep at night peacefully. This is God. And here you see, compare the government, no anxiety. No anxiety. Just compare. So what is the use of this rascal government? The rascal government must be there because we are rascals. You cannot complain against the government because we select. It is the days of democracy. We elect our representative. So why you should blame the government? You have created the government. You have sent your representative, a rascal, another big rascal. You are a rascal and another big rascal you have voted. So how you can expect good government? You send only big rascals, that's all. So there cannot be. That is stated in the Srimad Bhagavatam. That in the Kali Yuga, all the people will be rascals, Sudras. Simply by manipulation, if one gets vote, he captures the government of law. Shudra. He is a Shudra. He is not a Kshatriya. That's Maharaj Yudhishthira, trained up Kshatriya. He is a rascal, third-class man, fourth-class man. He gets the vote and we give vote. So how can we happy? How can we carefree or anxiety-free or disease-free? It is not possible. Navang duskitana mudha prabadante naradhama maya aparidagyana asuri bhavamasa. Immediately classify. Duskitina means constantly committing sinful activities. Mudha, rascal. Naradham, lowest of the mankind. Maya aparidagyana, although educated with high degrees, his knowledge has been taken away. Asuri Bhavamasa and demon. And if you waste your time in such foolish activities, then there will be anxiety, there will be disease, there will be enemies, there will be disturbance, everything, one after another, one after another. Natural disturbance by other living creatures, disturbance by your body. So this world will become hell. This is the position. King is supposed to be responsible for the citizens' peaceful life, no anxiety, no disease. There should be no anxiety, there should be no disease, there should be no scarcity, no famine, no natural disturbance. This is God. This is God. Just try to understand the ideal government during Maharaj Yudhishthira's time. Not only Maharaj Yudhishthira, all the kings, Rajarsayo, Himagarajarsayo, Vidu, they are all great rishis, although they are Kshatriyas, Brahmana and Kshatriya. They used to guide the general people. The Brahmana, by their Vedic knowledge, perfect knowledge, Patan, Patan, Jajan, Jajan, Dana, Pratigraha, by high learning, they were not interested for capturing the government. No, they had no time. But there was consulting body. Even Yudhishthira Maharaj's time, there is consulting body. All the kings, the Brahmanas and the rishis, they would form a consulting body and give advice to the king. My dear king, do like this. And they will abide. Just like head. Head gives the instruction to the arms, not the arm gives instruction to the head. Head, brain. Mukho bahu rupade bha. So Brahmana means this portion, head, brain. And Kshatriya means this portion, arm. And Vaishya means this portion, belly. And Shudra means this, leg. So no part is unimportant. Every part is important for upkeep of the body. But comparative study, this part is more important. If my head is cut off, then all other parts may remain, it will not act. Similarly, at the present moment, there is no Brahmana. All Sudras, simply legs. If you keep the legs of the body, what is the value of this body? There must be head. Everything must be there. Everything must be there. The head must be there, arms must be there, the abdomen must be there, the legs must be there. Then it is complete body. Similarly, this scientific division, Chatutpannam maya system gunakarma vibhagasa, the division of the human society according to quality, the Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, Krishna says, maya system, this is my creation for upkeep of the social system. So, there is necessity of the Shudras and there is necessity of the Brahmana, there is necessity of the Kshatriya. Everyone is required to function in his particular position. Then the society will be nadhayo vadhayo klesha. No more anxiety and no more disease. Everyone is peaceful, cool-minded, cool brain, then chant Hare Krishna without any disturbance and go back to home, back to God. Thank you very much.